In today's video, I'm excited to share our 10 favorite waterfall hikes near Portland. There are waterfalls you can walk behind. Enormous and intricate waterfalls. Famous waterfalls. And waterfalls in dramatic canyons. Sometimes the lighting is just right. And sometimes it's a bit of a scramble to get there. But it is always worth it. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the Pacific Northwest. So let's get started on the trails. I can't choose favorites among these, so I'll cover them by region instead of ranking. I'll start with the 3 in Gifford-Pinchot National Forest in Southwest Washington. The first is Falls Creek Falls. A just over 3-mile hike follows the mossy Falls Creek before opening onto this fabulous 2-tiered waterfall. For a full video on Falls Creek Falls, click the link in the upper right corner or in the video description. Our next waterfall, Panther Creek Falls, is a great one to visit on the same day as Falls Creek Falls, since it's nearby and has a very short hike of 0.7 miles. For details, check out our full Panther Creek Falls video at the link in upper right. Lower Lewis River Falls is enormous in its breadth. A 6-mile hike along the river takes in the lower falls, the smaller middle falls, and the likewise enormous upper falls. The upper falls are much less crowded than the lower falls, and from my perspective, they're equally spectacular. We'll now turn to the top waterfall hikes in the Columbia River Gorge, beginning with Eagle Creek. Its name may sound innocuous, but this hike follows a dramatic canyon, with the trail cut into the side of sheer cliffs. Countless waterfalls tumble down the cliff sides along the way. Hike as far as you'd like on this one. For our video on the 12-mile hike along Eagle Creek to Tunnel Falls, click the link in the upper right corner. In summer, a great variation is to hike down into the canyon on the trail to Punchbowl Falls. A landslide has blocked the end of the old route to the falls, but you can still access it by crossing the creek. For a similar waterfall canyon experience without the vertigo, nearby Wakulla Falls is a great option. This 1.9-mile hike follows a river canyon to the moss-rimmed Wakulla Falls. Hamilton Mountain is best known for its spectacular views, but this is actually a fabulous waterfall hike in its own right. At just over a mile into the hike, you'll find Rodney Falls and the intriguing Pool of the Winds. It's hard to have a list of waterfalls near Portland without including Multnomah Falls, Oregon's most famous waterfall. While it's a beautiful waterfall, the crowds can detract from the feeling of being out in nature. That said, don't skip it, because if you hike beyond the main falls, you'll find a 5-mile loop with minimal crowds that takes in several more waterfalls. The Triple Falls hike ends at its namesake Triple Falls, but it packs 4 waterfalls into a 3.6-mile hike. Unfortunately, wildfire damage is very clear on this hike, but there's beauty in watching the landscape renew. For number 9, we'll head south of Portland to Drift Creek Falls, a waterfall accessible by a delightful footbridge and a 3.2-mile hike. You can continue down to the creek level to see the falls from below. And last but definitely not least is the Trail of 10 Falls at Silver Falls State Park. This 7.4-mile hike takes in 10 waterfalls tucked into a forest thick with moss and ferns. It's a testament to how many breathtaking waterfall hikes there are in the Pacific Northwest that I can't decide if this is my favorite one. Let us know in the comments what your favorite waterfall hike is, and thanks for joining us in exploring these 10 waterfall hikes near Portland. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.